When it rains, it pours. You've heard that expression. This is Satan's children taking jabs at Yahweh. They're saying that Yahweh is a monster, that when he gets angry, he do not like to talk things out. What is there to talk about? You want to murder his children? That is not up for discussion. They're talking about the flood. Nothing Yahweh created will ever harm his children. Those people that drowned it in the flood were not created by Yahweh. They were monsters that came down here and mixed with the daughters of men, creating monsters. And those monsters were threatening the only children of God. So he brought the flood for them, not his children. Yahweh, you can defend me any day. I love my God. With him, I have nothing to fear in this world. Y'all fearing Trump, the wars. I'm sitting here at peace. This is what Yahweh gives to his children. Peace. Tranquility. There's no wars going on out here.